Greetings from Gässängsgrunden here in Värmdö, out on the open sea on this beautiful 24th of July, Thursday. Now, despite being a bit cloudy, now the sun is up again, so let's see if it's gonna remain while I film this video. But believe me, it is very warm, super warm indeed. And beach number 69. This here is very far from the closest civilization, and you can definitely have clothing optional setup here. And there were some nudists on the other side of this cliff actually, and you can find your very own spot here as the cliffs just continue. And there is even an island over there that's uninhabited, and there are no trees as I can see. I see only birds. I might swim to that island later if I'm gonna see that there are no boats passing by here, but it seems like it is quite shallow over here. Out in the Baltic Sea again in Värmdö, my favorite summer destination this year. And I have finally bought a functioning water thermometer that also measures the temperature of the air, and it's 25 degrees, which is correct as the same temperature from SMHI, the Swedish National Institute for Meteorology. It was worth it to sit in a very hot bus on the way here. So the bus from Slussen to Overby, it took 1 hour and 15 minutes. And many people left off at Stavsnäs, which is a port where they will go to their summer house, I guess. Indeed. Here it's not so great to sit on as compared to Notholmana that I can see from here. I was on those two islands a week ago or so, and it was super amazing, and I don't see anyone there right now. But let's then check out the water and my first ever measurement with my water thermometer that I bought for only $2 from the dollar store. It's actually a dollar store that it's called. We have a shop like that. The same one costs $5 in some of the other shops, but this one is white. I like it better, and you can read the temperature slightly better. The other one that I bought for $5 was not so great, so I can buy 2.5 of these for the same price of those, and that one also got broken very easily. But I might also buy a soon digital one. So I'm gonna pop this right in as I am trying to get in. I spot some bit of algae over here, but I think we're gonna be just fine for now. What else? Sunny Thursday, beach number 69. Yesterday I have returned actually the bicycle that I have ordered, a hybrid gravel one, because I have ordered the wrong size. I ordered large, and it said the large is for people between 175 and 185 centimeters. I'm 184, but then also said the extra large was for people from 184 to 195. And then I tested the vehicle in the shop, and it just wasn't right. And it also, the handrails were very strange, so I decided to return it for free, obviously. And I'm looking now for a racer instead that I'm gonna keep in my home, maybe, I don't know. Because I don't have right now a functioning bike, and my bus pass, public transport pass, is only 4 days more. Anyway, let's go into the sea and enjoy a beautiful swim in the sea here in Värmdö, out on the open sea. Gässängsgrunden, I think it's called, but the closest bus stop is Gamla, Djurö, Prästgård. So ready, set, and go! And yes, I'm going to continue my swim adventures here for sure, as it is very nice here to swim out on the open sea. And the moment of truth, it's 23 degrees Celsius in the water. Yeah, that's right, 23 degrees. That's more than warm for me to swim 3 times 20 minutes here, but let me show you a bit around now here. As you can see, I'm all alone here in this beautiful setup, and I have seen this on the map when I was at Holmana that are around 1 kilometer from here, and I really enjoyed on those islands. Even though I actually first swam to one of those and then I was walking to it. But that island seems very close also. I might swim there later on during my swim sessions. But the summer continues here in Stockholm region. I'm Värmdö out in the sea, and I think here there are no such more algae than there were in Musko, which is going to be awesome for a swim. Cheers from Gässängsgrunden, is this called, in Djurö, Värmdö, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another little adventure on my channel, Little Adventures with Kris.